Every morning at work, my coworkers and I have coffee and have some sort of snack, or they bring donuts to the office. And my boss walks in and starts shaming us. So my pet peeve is when people fat shame you, when they don't let you have a nice meal and enjoy yourself. I find those people very disrespectful, rude, and obnoxious. Those people show you that they have really bad manners. Um, they just don't let you eat in peace, and they just look for the smallest excuse to start telling you, why are you eating that, um, you shouldn't be eating that. So it's a really bad habit. um, Especially my boss, I find him super rude when he goes up to the office and starts telling one of my coworkers that her arms are extremely big from doing so much weightlifting, meaning that she is eating too much, so therefore her arms are getting big. Um, I find him super rude, and I think that he's very obnoxious because he does it in the loudest way possible so everybody in the office could hear. And he basically thinks that he's very funny, but a lot of them like get very upset about it because it's rude, and it shouldn't be the way that he treats his employees. Um, and also I've considered that many of them can get like mentally damaged, and and they could be something that needs to be pointed out and mentioned to him that he shouldn't continue doing. In conclusion, I consider my manager as disrespectful, um, rude, and obnoxious for fat shaming us and not not letting us eat comfortably. Therefore, my pet peeve is when people fat shame others and points out why they are eating, um, and that they shouldn't be eating that food, that is unhealthy. I mean, everybody makes their own decisions, and everybody should be able to eat whatever they want. So in that case, never fat shame anybody. Leave them alone and let them enjoy their meal.